road at the ending of the day. Golden sunlight touched the trees as the shadows slipped away. And somewhere in the silent woods a lonely eagle cried, while rivers carried ancient songs down the mountainside. I felt the earth beneath my feet like a heartbeat deep and low. And for the first time in so long, I finally let go. And every whisper in the wind was calling out my name, like the mountains knew my soul before I ever came. I can hear the voice of nature calling me through the forests and the rivers to the place where I am free. And I feel every stone and every tree, like the earth itself is breathing, living deep inside of me. Oh, the voice of nature still belongs to me. Grizzly crossed the distant hills like a shadow in the light, and deer stood silent by the lake as the day became the night. I watched the rabbits through the grass disappear beneath the trees, and every little living thing moved with such gentle peace. No crowded streets, no restless noise, no walls around the sky, just endless stars above my head and freedom in my mind. And somewhere deep inside my heart a quiet fire grew, like nature softly healed the parts the world once tore in two. I can hear the voice of nature calling me through the forests and the rivers to the place where I am free. And I feel every stone and every tree, like the earth itself is breathing, living deep inside of me. Oh, the voice of nature still belongs